Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have a very nice unboxing, and that's of the Sansi. And as you can see here, the website sansale.com, I should say. And of course this is a automatic lighting system that's designed for home security. And how this works is that it automatically comes on if it detects motion at night, and you can actually use this around the house to improve your security. Best of all, this one is 36,000 lumens, meaning that it gives a very bright light. It also uses just 36 watts, and of course it's very energy efficient, and it's only turned on when it's needed. And again guys, it produces 5000K of brightness, and that 5000K is lighting onto daylight, meaning it will produce such a bright light, a natural looking light that's equivalent to daylight. Of course you can see it comes in this plain box, and on the side you can see the product information right here. It says where it's created along with the specification. For example, it says product name ceramic LED security light, so it's made out of ceramic, and of course it's LED, meaning it's very energy efficient. And the model that you see here is the C2440HW, and it takes a input voltage of 120 volts, 60 hertz, and of course it uses, in terms of related power, 36 watts, and it produces, as I said before, 3600 lumens of brightness, and it produces a light that's 5000K. And of course there's a lot of other information, such as the max sensing distance. It can give you up to 50 feet, which is very nice. Security time ranges from 1 minute to 10 minutes, and of course there's the various operating modes, such as test auto, on time, D2D, and of course color black. And of course if it's daylight, this will turn off automatically, so you can actually keep this plugged in. You can wire it straight into your house and it will work fine. This is my second of this type of device, and again guys, this was sent over by Sansi for me to review, so let's go ahead and give Sansi some love over there at their website. I'll have the full review over at blogtechtips.com. So let's get straight into the unboxing. Alright guys, after opening the box up, you do get this nice manual right here that shows off the product, and it just gives you the rundown. It says user manual. It's motion activated ceramic LED security light from Sansi. And of course I'm going to put this aside. And next, inside of the box, you do get this nice starting guide that says light up your world, and of course that's the Sansi logo with that moon in the background, quite nice. And it says Sansi's Moonlight Club VIP offer, and it does go into some information on the back. I'm just going to cover that up as well. There's some shipping information, and if I open this up, you can check out the device itself. And this is the Sansi device itself. Now guys, if you are not accustomed to installing devices like these, I advise that you get a professional to help you with the install, or if you have a friend that's handy, he can actually help with the install as well. And what I recommend too guys is that if you can do this yourself, you'd actually take your time and do this. Of course this is a great DIY or do-it-yourself project for in and around the home security. And I find that these pair well with security lights, or should I say pair well with security cameras. So if you have some security cameras, these will pair well, and they're very energy efficient. So I'm going to remove this from the box just to check it out. Alright guys, so let's get into the full product. As you can see here, this is the connection points. You do get this green LED, green wire, and then of course there's the white wire and the black wire. And of course the manuals will show you how to install this. This is the base of the product, and this is the motion sensor right here. If you check out on the main area here, although you can't see it very clearly, there's test auto, on time, D2D, and of course it's the sensor section that's going to be used to adjust the lights. So in terms of auto on and off, or you want to just test, or you want to have the dusk till dawn where it's on always. And of course this is similar to other devices. This is the control neck that you can use to adjust. It can rotate and pivot. Likewise it can rotate and pivot, and this one is the double-headed, and I'm sure there's also the triple-headed model and so on. And check out these ceramic LEDs guys, they look quite nice. As you can see here, they're white. You can get the entire body in white. I went for the black since it's more stealthy, and these are high quality LEDs that's capable of producing very bright lights. Alright, if I say so myself, I don't know why they didn't just provide a shielding. But of course, do not let this fool you. These things are fully waterproof. And Now that I'm seeing the product up close, I can tell you that the reason why this is still waterproof is because the individual housing of the LEDs themselves. So the LEDs are actually housed within their own casing, so do not worry. Despite looks, this thing is fully waterproof. And of course, inside of the bag there's the additional mounting case. There's this wall guide for you can mark out the wall, and of course there's this mounting bracket with screws, and of course this shielding for the caps where you cut the card and so on. There's nothing else in the box, so that's it majorly. And of course guys, next I'm gonna install this and test it out personally. But so far I'm loving the hardy design. I love that the LEDs are ceramic, which means it's good with heat dissipation. And of course there is the shielding over each individual section, and of course there's this created section here, so there's good heat dissipation along with great placement of the LEDs and so on. Alright, so once again I want to thank Sansi for sending this over for testing. Alright guys, see you next when I actually show you some pictures or videos of this lighting up a section as we set up a test case just to show you what's taking place with this product. Alright guys, it's back, and as you can see here guys, this is the light setup. Now there's a few things here. As you can see, it's set. I'll just turn the lights on, and as you can see here, this is what the sensor looks like mounted. You'll need a OT box to be placed on the wall, and then of course be attached to the OT box. And of course you can see the motion sensor here. It can be adjusted for different environments. As you can see here, I'm quite a few feet off the ground, and I can actually make adjustments. And here we go guys, this is the test mode, and we're now testing out the lights. As you can see, it's very dark out here. Outside it's actually pitch black, and just allowing you to get a feel. In a few moments I'm going to trigger the lights, and there you go, the lights have been triggered, and you can actually notice the area surrounding this grassy field out here. And of course this is a very wide area. The light is able to make out here super bright. Of course this video does not do it justice, and you can see the lights will turn off. You can adjust the timer, and of course guys, it can cover a 50 by 50 area, or 50 by 50 feet area. That's 50 feet squared. And of course guys, it's very impressive and very bright. I give this product a thumbs up, and of course I highly recommend it for your backyard, or of course any large area that you like to cover to make the area look lighted up. And of course guys, I have not done my wire management fully. This has just been a test case, and as you can see here, you can see I have it mounted. Again guys, Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips, just basically showing off this product. Please check out the full review on the website. Check out the same. Bye until next time. Bye guys.